So hello, my name is Osiel, and today I'm going to teach you how to multiply 10 to the power of any power with decimals. So first, if you're going to do that, you need to understand what happens to 10 when you give it a power. So first of all, 10 to the power of 1 is like this. It goes like this. So if you have 10 to the power of 1, it's equal to 10 times 1, which is also equal to 10. And so basically, if you multiply any number by 10 to the power of 1, it's the same thing as multiplying it by 10. And if you have 10 to the power of 2, it's also equal to 10 times 10, which is equal to 100. So same thing happens with 10 to the power of 1 to 10 to the power of 2. If you multiply anything by 10 to the power of 2, you're basically multiplying it by 100. And it goes on with 10 to the power of 3, which is equal to 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1,000. And the same thing happens to 10 to the power of 3 as did in 10 to the power of 2. And also in 10 to the power of 4, which is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 10,000. So basically, now I'm going to give you a few problems to do, that I'm going to go through, and then I'm going to give you a quiz question that's multiple choice. So first of all, what if there was a lollipop cart, and each lollipop was 45 cents? And what if I wanted to buy one lollipop for 10 friends? So I multiply 45 cents by 10 to the power of 1, which will equal $4.50. Because when you multiply a decimal by 10 to the power of 1, you move the decimal right once. Well, you move the decimal right depending on what the power is. Since this decimal is 1, I move the decimal right once. So now it's 4.5, which is equal to $4.50. But what if I wanted to buy one lollipop for the whole grade? I multiply 45 cents by 10 to the power of 2, which is equal to $45. So that's $45 because the power is 2. So I move the decimal right 2 times. So now it's $45. But what if I wanted to buy lollipops for the entire school? That I multiply 10 to the power of 3 by 45 cents, and that would give me $450. So I'd pay $450 for the entire school. Why? Because the power is 3. So I move the decimal right 3 times. And since there's no number here, I just add a 0. And what if I wanted to buy lollipops for the entire district? So I multiply 45 cents by 10 to the power of 4, which equals $4,500. So since the power is 4, I move the decimal right 4 times. And since there's no spaces, there's no numbers here, I just add zeros. So now it's 4,500. And so, okay. So if you understand this already, I'm going to give you a quiz question to answer. So basically, first, I'm going to give you the question. It's going to be 0.035 multiplied by what equals 350. So I'm going to give you some time to do this, and then I'll reveal the answer. Okay, and here are some of the options. For A it's going to be 10 to the power of 1. For B, it's going to be 10 to the power of 3. For C, it's going to be 10 to the power of 4. And for D, it's going to be 10 to the power of 2. So pick your answer. Okay, now time's up, so the correct answer is C, 10 to the power of 4. Also, because when you multiply 10 to the power of 4 by something, if it's by a decimal, you move the decimal you move the decimal right based on what the power is. So since it's 10 to the power 4 and we want to get 350, we need to move the decimal right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since there's no space here, we just add a 0. And that's 350. So that's how you get the answer. Bye. And that was my presentation.